before you start your project, go get some new bolts. 2.5-inch bolts. Get the grade 8s because they're stronger bolts. Here's the size. Right from Home Depot, they were $2. These are the stock rubber bushings. And these are all in S1s that are solid. You need to add these in. There's too much flex in the handlebars with the rubber ones. So, before you even start the project, make sure you go get yourself, this is called a handlebar dampening kit. It's just solid bushings, polyurethane, all in S bushing. But to keep the handlebars from flexing. Alright, so this thing went bye-bye. This mounts in here and all the plugs mount in there. But it wasn't going to be long enough to run the wires with this stupid thing, so goodbye. Alright, so everything's plugged in, the throttle by wire, the two side of the controls. What I left to show you is the heated grips. Here's the 2 wires you ran. One goes to the power, the other grip. Alright, so we'll plug that in. And then the second one goes to power. Now here's the trick on this that everybody always misses and you get phone calls. The purple and black, this is a cover. So you have to unplug it. And then you could plug in your heated grip. So I'm trying to do this one-handed. I'll actually show you guys. Let's see. So this will plug right in. And this will plug into the heated grip. So I'll plug the heated grip in now. To the other side. So that's done. And then the power. The second wire is the power. That goes to the power to the bike. Don't ask me why the different colors, the black and the purple and the red and the black. I don't know. But now everything's plugged in. I'm going to button this up. And we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, before I plugged everything back in, I just wanted to make sure everything was working. I tested the signals, I tested the horn, tested the brights. Make sure the bike starts. Alright, so everything is good. I can button it up now. And we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Almost forgot, very important tip. Push this in first. You're not going to be able to get it in afterwards. So what I'm doing now is, now I'm going to mount this to the forks. And so basically, I'm going to mount it up like that. Tuck all the wires in. Go underneath and bolt it back up. So that's where I'm at. Don't forget to plug your electronics back in too. You know, same as a street glide. If you're on the street glide, it's the same shit. It's just dummy plugs for accessories. So just plug them in so they're waterproof. Same way I took it off. I'm just going underneath with those wobble extensions. Feeling my way up because I can't see shit. Pop the cover back in. I'm gonna make sure I'm not pinching any wires. Okay, so that's it. I got it all buttoned up. Everything is tightened up. Wires ran. I had to rerun this cable. So I'll see how that works. Doesn't seem to be binding or anything, but underneath there I just had to move it around some wires because it was a little bit of a stretch. So all the stock wires worked fine. The stock heated grip worked fine. Somebody said they had to extend it. I didn't have to extend it. There was no issue. So that's about it. Let's fire it up, make sure everything works. Oh yeah. And as always, thank you for watching. Look at my other content, hit the like and subscribe.